3/1 of a meter insulation corrugated tube pipe nylon wire harness casing cable sleeves Co. 3/1 of a meter insulation corrugated tube pipe nylon wire harness casing. A review. Corrugated cable sleeves are a type of flexible, protective covering that is used to insulate and protect electrical wires and cables. They are typically made from a lightweight, flexible material such as nylon or PVC, and they are available in a variety of sizes and colors. Corrugated cable sleeves can be used in a wide range of applications, including automotive, industrial, and commercial settings. Benefits of using corrugated cable sleeves. There are a number of benefits to using corrugated cable sleeves, including protection from damage. Corrugated cable sleeves can help to protect electrical wires and cables from damage caused by abrasion, moisture, and other environmental factors. Improved safety. Corrugated cable sleeves can help to improve safety by preventing electrical wires and cables from becoming exposed and hazardous. Organization. Corrugated cable sleeves can help to organize electrical wires and cables, making them easier to identify and manage. Aesthetics. Corrugated cable sleeves can also be used to improve the aesthetics of electrical wiring, making it more attractive and less cluttered. How to use corrugated cable sleeves. Corrugated cable sleeves are typically installed by simply slipping them over the desired electrical wire or cable. The sleeves can then be secured in place with a variety of methods, such as tape, zip ties, or cable ties. Where to buy corrugated cable sleeves? Corrugated cable sleeves are available for purchase at a variety of online and offline retailers. Prices vary depending on the size, material, and length of the sleeves. Conclusion. Corrugated cable sleeves are a versatile and effective way to protect, organize, and improve the aesthetics of electrical wires and cables. They are a valuable addition to any toolbox or home improvement kit,